Hello student, I am Nidhi Shrivastava. Today I will discuss pharmaceutical analysis experiments. The aim is to demonstrate glasswares and apparatus in pharmaceutical lab. Requirements: beaker, funnel, glass rod, test tube, volumetric flask, conical flask, round bottom flask, iodine flask, measuring cylinder, Nestler cylinder, burette, pipette, burette stand and spatula. These are the glassware and apparatus which are generally used in pharmaceutical lab and other lab. So, firstly I will discuss about beaker. This is the structure of beaker. A beaker is a cylindrical glass or plastic vessel used for holding liquids. Next, funnel. This is funnel and it is used to channel liquid or fine grained substances into containers with a small opening. Next is glass rod. A glass stirring rod, glass rod, stirring rod or stir rod is a piece of laboratory equipment used to mix chemicals. Next, test tube. Test tubes are widely used by chemists to handle chemicals, especially for qualitative experiments and assays. Next, volumetric flask. This is volumetric flask and this is conical flask. A volumetric flask is a lab glass or plasticware used to prepare a solution. It is used to make up a solution to known volume. And conical flasks are widely used in chemistry laboratories for holding liquids and mixing them by swirling. Next, round bottom flask. This is round bottom flask. This is also known as RBF. The round bottom flask is used for reaction, distillations and collection. Now, iodine flask. It is used in iodine determination test. Next is measuring cylinder. This is the structure of measuring cylinder. A graduated cylinder, also known as measuring cylinder or mixing cylinder, is a common piece of laboratory equipment used to measure the volume of liquid. Next is Nestler cylinder. This is Nestler cylinder. Nestler cylinders are used for colorimetric analysis such as APHA color. The color of the substance contained in a Nestler cylinder is visually compared with the model. Nestler cylinder basically used for the limit test. Next, burette. This is burette. This is apparatus. Burette, also spelled burette, laboratory apparatus used in quantitative chemical analysis to measure the volume of a liquid or a gas. This is very important apparatus for the titration process. Pipette. Next, we will see 4 types of pipette. Some are simple pipette and some are sucking pipette. transport a measured volume of liquid. This is the use of pipette. Next, Burette Stand. This is Burette Stand. Burette clamp is a scientific equipment which used specifically to hold and secure a burette on a stand so that a burette is fixed and more convenient for the experiment. Next, spatula. There are three types of spatula. A spatula is a broad, flat, flexible blade used to mix, spread and lift material including foods, drugs, plaster and paints. Thank you.